Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can download any movie of your choice from the internet straight to your phone. You can download any movie that you want, any movie of your choice straight to your phone. The first thing you want to do is to go to your Play Store. You know, when you go to your Play Store, you search for this app, Full Torrent Downloader. Just search for Full Torrent Downloader. Search, and it will appear like this. As you can see, in my own case, I have already downloaded already, so it's showing open. And if you check, you will see it have about 10 million downloads. About 10 million downloads. So when you search for these apps, you now download it and then install it into your phone. You open it and give it the necessary permission. Then you now go back. You go to your Chrome browser and then you search for Torrent Search Engine 2020. Torrent Search Engine 2020. You search, and it will appear. Just scroll down, you pick this one that's showing Torrent Search Engine for Android APK download. You click on it and it will take you to this page. As you can see, you see Torrent Search Engine 2020 and it's showing download APK. So just click on download APK and download into your phone. Once you download the Torrent Search Engine and install it into your phone, then you now go back to your Chrome browser again and search for any movie of your choice. For example, let me search for latest movie 2020. Then as you can see, a bunch of movies appears here. So in my own case, I want to pick this first one that's showing Ride or Die. Then you now copy the name of the movie. You copy the name of the movie. You copy, then go back. You go to your Torrent Search Engine. When you open your Torrent Search Engine, you click and then paste the name of the movie that you copy. Click on search and it will take you to this page. It will show different options depending on the number of MB that you have. You can download any one based on your MB. The first one is showing 348 MB and the second one is showing 766 MB. So let's assume I want to download the first one. Now I'll just click on it like this. Then you now click on download with torrent client. You click on it. Then you click on the torrent setting, enable the torrent setting. Then for you to know where to download or you want to know the speed of the download, you click on the plus button like this, and as you can see, it started downloading in the Full Torrent downloader, the Full Torrent downloader that you installed for the first time. So now, or you can go back, you can go back and open your Torrent Full downloader, and as you can see, it started downloading. And you can download any movie of your choice, irrespective of its size or its duration. You can download any movie. So I think that's all for today. Thank you very much.